Hello, my dearest alumni. I am known to majority of you, faculty member and then dean of this faculty. I was dean as well as head of this faculty. Many of you know that I was associated with this faculty from 1976 and then I got retired in 2012. It's a great opportunity. You all know your faculty has always been welcoming you. This time we are going to have a mega event in 2013. Your faculty is calling you and MSU, the great Maharaja Sayajirao University, is calling all of you. Come back and be with us and celebrate this great event, one and all. It is organizing a mega event not at the faculty level but at the university level, and our alumni, our bonding is so strong. I'm sure all of you will come forward. January is the month when all of you can come. The weather is fine, it's very pleasant here in Baroda, and this is the time when you celebrate Uttarayan, Sakrant. So I am sure those good old days and those memories which are always inside your heart and you cherish, you will come once again in January to celebrate not only this event but also the festival in the city. I look forward to meet all of you, and I am sure you will definitely at our appeal come immediately, plan your program, and we will share our not only experiences, our joys and sorrows, but also our achievements and our plans for future. Where do we want to take faculty now? Because you have always desired that our faculty should be best and should reach to the top, and it is coming up so well. It is recognized nationally and internationally with all your efforts, with our efforts and everyone's efforts. So once again we have to come forward and you have to suggest as what we can do in future. Thank you. Looking forward to meet all of you. This is Professor Aruna Khasgiwala. For those possibly who have not met me, but all of you I'm sure know me, from Baroda MS University, Faculty of Social Work. Thank you.